going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and we're going to start the new year off with another cash out from Inbox Dollars. You see at the top, I got a little bit over $48. I'm going to cash that out, but before I do that, I'm going to show you all the things that I do on this site in order to make money. It is a site that has been around a long time, lots of opportunities. So you'll see here I'm on the home page. They got different surveys, different offers that you can use. Just random stuff that's on the homepage. Got cash back options, stores you can shop at and get cash back. If I go to the top, I like to look at the offers, and I like to look at the 100% free offers. So these are things you can sign up for, and you'll see the amount that they're paying. Now, I will tell you off top that the higher they pay, the more difficult it is to actually, make that money. But you just got to look at the description and see what they're asking you to do in order to make the kind of money, all right? So they also got some content discovery that you can just basically look or sign up for. Very easy, very quick to do. It doesn't pay the highest, but, they're very easy. So I do these from time to time as well. They also have ways, they got new offers. So they're always adding new offers on here. New ones they're putting, basically, different sign up things. Like I said, just look at the description of what it's asking you to do and see if you can do it. And, you have no problem getting paid. They also have ways that you can save money. You kind of make money on this site and save money at the same time by like different credit cards you can use. Upside, that's a cashback app that I use. I'm going to leave a link for that at the top of this video so you can sign up for that. Get discounts on all the gas stations. So that's the offers that they have. I will show you the surveys. Good amount of surveys on here. You will see here at the top, the ones that have a star by them, that means you have a high chance of qualifying for them. You'll see the amount that it's paying and the time it takes. And they do offer disqualification points if you don't qualify for the survey. So just be mindful of that. So you will get something for your time. You can also shop. You can take pictures of receipts. You can get paid to search on this website. So there's lots of different things. You can also get paid to read emails. So I'm going to click on this envelope here. And you'll see here on the side all of these different emails. All you have to do is basically confirm the paid email. A pop-up will come up. And then you can, close it out and just confirm it. You don't have to do anything with it. You don't have to sign up anything. All you have to do is literally just open the email. And for every time you do that, you get 2 cents. You see my balance went up 2 cents. Now it's at $48.49. Just, open the email, look at it, confirm it, exit out. You're right there. You're making 2 cents per email. And they will send you these pretty much every day. So you'll make, a decent amount. You'll get a decent amount of emails every day. So you can kind of just play around with that if you would like. But like I said, the emails, they have a good amount of them. You don't have to do anything with them. Just open them up, close them, make sure you're getting paid. You'll see here at the daily goal, this shows you how much that you're making. You see here today, I made $8.04 today alone. So I am using this site actively. They have streaks that you can use for, if you're continuing to reach the daily goal every day, different streaks you can achieve. So, it's like it really does offer you lots of different ways to make money. So I definitely recommend signing up for it. Now, when it comes to cashing out here, they have lots of different options on that as well. You can use cash out at a minimum of $5. Like I said, these are all different ways you can cash out, different retail stores, restaurants. They have PayPal, they have Amazon. When I come to this site, I usually like to use PayPal. So I'm going to click on that. And you'll see here a minimum of $10 to do that. So 10, 15, 30, 40. I think it's maximum of $100 you can use as far as PayPal. So all you'll do here is, type in your password and click on get rewarded. And it'll ask you to confirm. I'm going to cash out $40, making sure this, everything is right. I will push confirm here. And then the pop-up will come right there. Congrats on your redemption. So just that easy. It takes maybe a couple of days for them to pay you, so it doesn't take long at all. So like I said, this site, it offers lots of different ways to make money. It's completely free to sign up. I will leave the link to sign up in the description. Get started with it today. Get your new year off, because I know you spent a lot of money during the holidays, and now it's time to get the money back in your pocket. And Inbox Dollars is one of the best sites to do that. So click on the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.